Hello everyone, welcome to Master G Skills. Many of you students, freshers, even few experienced don't have the clarity on what is JDK, GRE and JVM. Yes, today we will see what is the difference between JDK, JRE and JVM. Let's first understand the Java Development Kit, in short JDK. The Java Development Kit is a software development environment that offers a collection of tools and libraries necessary for developing Java-based software applications. Let's make it as an much easier to understand what is the definitions of a JDK. So hope you know the meaning of kit. Kit is nothing but a set of equipments needed for a specific purpose. Most probably you heard about the makeup kit and photographic kit. So these are the kind of a kits, like it has a set of equipments. So yes, even JDK is a Java software development kit which has a collections of tools and libraries required for developing any Java based software applications. To develop any Java based software application is JDK is must required kit in the Java enabled system. So what is Java enabled system? Java enabled system is a one where the Java is installed on that particular system. So yes, after development we need to test the functions of whatever we develop. For that JRE is required. So we will discuss what is JRE later, but now you understand JDK means development tools plus JRE. So development tools means to develop our Java application, some tools are used plus JRE. What is JRE? That we will see later in this video itself. Now let's see the JDK directory in physical folder structure. So once we install Java in our system, specifically I'm showing on Windows, it will be in a default path called C drive and program files and Java. We can even change this path while we will be installing on Java. You can see inside Java there are two folders, that is JDK and JRE followed by its a version. So here it is a Java 8. Let's see what JDK contains. So you can see there are a lot of files inside the JDK folder. So bin is a binary files where our all the program executions belongs to this folder. So it contains lots of files. You can see Java C is the most commonly used to compile our Java files, which will convert this file will convert our .java class to .class file. These are the files, and if we come back there you can see even JRE. So what I said in the, you can see here JDK equals to development tools plus JRE. So this is what it has, a lots of development tools plus JRE. So this is what the JDK, you can see bin, and these are all are the tools. Bin include libraries and some of these files with JRE equals to JDK. So you have JDK here. So basically JDK contains Java runtime environment, that is JRE, and an interpreter or this is called an interpreter or loader. We will see what it is in later of the session, and the compiler, that is a Java C. That's all about JDK. Now let's see what is a JRE. Java runtime environment, that is a JRE, is a software layer that runs on top of a computer's operating system software and provides the class libraries and other resources that a specific Java program needs to run. So this is basically again the same thing, like it contains lots of tools and libraries to run our Java program. So here the JRE combines Java code which is created by the JDK or created or developed by the JDK and with the necessary libraries required to run that particular Java program. On the JVM. So this becomes a kind of an interface, not an interface, but kind of an interface which will take the code which is developed by JDK and it will run by the JVM. So how and everything we will see in the next JVM architecture, but as of now you just understand it's a JRE contains on or it will run on run on JVM. So this is all about JRE, and let's see the folder structure of JRE. So again it's the same. I'll be on the same C, program files, Java. Here you can see JDK and JRE. Even if you go inside JDK also, there is a JRE. So what this particular JRE is, once we develop, so we need to test our functionality or we want to run our program, then this JRE is used. But there are some of the environments in the industries like development environment or a staging environment, production, pre-production. These all are different environments where our application will be tested on different stages. So in that case, when the development stage, only this JDK is enough to run our application. But when in a production there is a no development, so even in a pre-production also there is a no development, at that time only JRE is required. So you see here bin library, the binary files and the libraries it will use to run any of our application. And here you can observe one thing. If you come down, there are again there are some binary files. You had saw there is a Java and Java C in the JDK, but here you can't get the Java C because we are not compiling it, we are just running in the JRE, so Java is enough. So this is all about JRE. Hope you got the clarity on JDK and JRE. So JDK is a development kit, JRE is a runtime environment. Let's see what is a JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Java Virtual Machine acts as a runtime engine to run Java application. So it is mainly the engine which will run our application. So when we compile .java file, .class file with the same name present in the .java file are generated by the Java compiler. This generated .class file goes into the various steps of a JVM. What is these steps? The complete these steps describes the JVM architecture. Again, the JVM architecture is a different story. We will see each of these steps in JVM architecture video. That will be most probably the next video. And again we will see each of these steps, how this .class file be processed to run our application. This is how it looks, our JDK, JRE and JVM. So JDK contains development tools. Those are Java C, JHeap, Java, etc. many tools, plus JRE. So again JRE contains Java class libraries with JVM. Hope you all understood. If you still have any doubts about these different things like JDK, JRE, JVM, then please drop in the comment box. I'm happy to answer all of your queries. If you really like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.